Yo, I didn't even take in how bad the lighting is here. And I know what you're thinking. Hey, doesn't this guy look just like Snoop Dogg? Yes. If I had $1 for every time somebody said I look like Snoop Dogg, I'd be richer than Snoop Dogg. So, about to unite with the court right now. It's for Tushan's birthday, so we're probably just gonna hoop around for a bit, play some Monopoly later on, get some food. Just, you know, have fun, all that good stuff. So just a quick little backlog. We were supposed to meet up at like 5 o'clock. I said that I was gonna be around at like 5:30. It is damn near 6:30.
I don't give a fuck.
It's because your dad told me, he's like, yo, just go through the front. I was like, all right, cool. But at the same time, like, I don't knock, so.
What the hell is that? Why are you putting it on your head? Why you look like a sous chef, bro?
Why he's about to make sushi at Sushi Rocks?
Sit down.
I forgot to say.
Oh, there it is.
I mean, since you were in the last vlog, go introduce yourself.
My name is Abdul bin Ahmed.
By the way, happy birthday, my friend.
Energy Cube.
Milo.
Yo, is that our new sponsor?
So you were taking some back shots in the backyard?
You guys are so dirty minded.
This guy in the chat, he's like, now if you'll excuse me, I'll be taking shots in the back.
And I was like, hey, wait till I come down. I want to see you take some shots, dog.
Pause. Tell people what you've been up to.
Everybody follow my SoundCloud. Almighty Coon Boy. That's Almighty.
Almighty Cool Boy? What?
_C00.
Okay.
N. Uppercase B. Don't be a bucket. Another 0. Keep you on your toes. And three eyes.
A few moments later.
YouTube copyright claimed this video, and that's exactly why I had to re-upload it. That's why I'm using a different instrumental right after I say this little piece. But they copyright claimed it because I used the Free Smoke instrumental by Drake. Granted, it was a semitone lower than the original pitch, but they still copyright claimed it. So I'm using a different beat, and hopefully they do not claim this one. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Oh my God!
Watch out for the glasses. The glasses. Watch out for the glasses.
Do you know the Klingon proverb that tells us revenge is a dish that is best served cold? It is very cold.
They go in your eyes? Yeah.
Dude, in the cup? Oh! Shit!
So small.
Halfway. Take.
After these messages, we'll be right back. Yeah.
Many hours later.
Delicious. A lot? Where am I at?
This guy's almost as good as Drake, though.
Almost is way better.
Almost.
$34 or
Tower of Go- oh,
I rolled
20.
5 twice to hit the same
What?
thing.
20's not bad. 20's
What
not
is
bad.
that? Put on that
bad.
property twice.
Thank you. Thank you.
The game hates me still. Enough if you buck. Roll again.
Ooh, it was my belated birthday. Yeah, do you have like a prayer room or something?
You not know yet.
Damn, yeah.
He just dodged an RPG.
No. Watch that. No.
It was here.
Yeah, no. One of those cards can be the pinks or the reds. Yeah. It's a chance card.
Advance to the Temple of Time.
Ooh, aw, damn!
Yeah,
Yes, I mortgaged it.
You want my?
No, baby. Give my 200 though. Watch me bleed. Oh,
It almost worked. I was like, how do you do it?
collect 50.
Come with me. Hail Mary.
Spiritual.
What do we have to say now?
Wait, 2 times the shield?
I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pizza picks. Hail Mary, catch me if I go.
Wait, Taylor Swift. $200 again?
I'm dead, guys.
No.
There's me.
That was like. Take off.
If I roll anything higher than a 6. That was actually really spiritual when we all started singing Hail Mary.
I know, yeah. I was scared. I was thinking more like this. I'm like, what is happening?
I thought the lights was gonna turn off and shit.
And like Tupac comes out, it's like.
You wanna buy it?
Where are you?
Yo, this side is mad dangerous.
Yo, you're dying. You are dead.
Okay, just roll low G.
4, you need a 6. I don't know what that is. No.
Where was he?
No.
Where was he?
Yeah, he was right here. Bust it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes! That's what I'm saying.
No, wait. Go back 3 spaces. Yo, chance cards, bro.
Chase the princess to the nearest transportation space. If unowned, you may.
$200 though.
No, I gotta see.
I think it's like times 10 at the end.
No,
but it's
own
not
pay
10
owner
in a row.
twice the rental to which they are entitled to.
400.
He don't even have that. This broke.
Your mortgage agreement. Oh,
1, 2, 3.
Oh, he does still. I had
4.
I had money hiding in the attic.
You still have enough money to go to McDonald's.
Yeah. He tried it. Money hiding in the basement, huh, Frank?
Then it was attic.
So, how will Timmy get out of this one?
Listen to me. He's not in school. He's gonna believe.
I'm gonna have to pay like $1,000.
Ram! I didn't know where I was before. Okay, I'm fine.
I thought that was him.
That's waiting for you still. Where do you gotta go? You gotta go.
That might go back 3 spaces.
That's the first card I
Oh, by the way, I had to mortgage my property, guys.
He mortgaged these right here to make houses on deed.
How is it my turn now?
Where's the houses? No one knows.
You look like Caesar Milan.
I'm sorry.
Woo, go to jail, thanks. This is the safest place when all this going down.
There's hotels there.
This is the safest place when all that's going down. Like that one time we played Monopoly and like we were like there was confusion and you like slipped me like $1,000. You were like, hey, take.
No, wait.
You slipped
I'm
me
in
30.
jail.
But I didn't even realize I could have just spent all of
I
it.
just got there. I can't
Could
get out
have
on
killed
one roll.
everybody. Everybody landed on your.
Yeah, I know, and I had.
I was like, make hotels. You're like,
Because you're all the
It's because I didn't know that the game was
oh,
still
you guys
going
are
on.
fish man, dog.
Yo,
You landed on there.
Holy.
Oh, you fucked.
Yeah, how much I owe?
$1,000.
Oh.
You have it though.
Oh.
Wait, what happened to it?
I sold it off.
For money?
Can you afford it? How much do you? How much does that count?
Why you counting out loud like
8, 9, 10. That's good.
nobody else counted money out?
it's my turn.
Wait,
Wait, after all, stay in jail, big fella. Stay in jail. Stay in jail.
How does he get to stay in jail?
Because I went to jail.
How?
I'm a prisoner. You were a visitor. I'm a prisoner. Bars.
You see me at a show, on stage, on the street. I'm definitely
That looks so promising.
Collect $100.
I like OJ.
You know what that you can do with a knife in 2 minutes?
Get off a charge?
Remember these words. If it doesn't fit, you must acquit.
Oh my god. Yo, what I think right here.
No, it's over. It's over.
Oh, I get to stay.
Yeah.
Oh, no, wait. Actually, I don't want to go to jail. Remember that rule about me being up here? I was like right here when I rolled. But you didn't have no problem with it. You got to go where you wanted me to go. But before that, this guy's a thief.
How much are we?
What? Really?
950?
950. 600 so far.
How much about this?
I heard more.
That's already more kids. Goodbye.
You know what? I'm taking out a chapter 11. I'm out the game.
No, stop.
Oh.
No, he's
he's right there.
No, he has a lot of land. Right?
He has barrels.
What did you not? 1050.
Alright, talk to me.
Yo, mortgage the. You're
No, you're good. You can make it now. You can make it. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, I'm stressed. There's no way I get past
I'm not stressed. I'm already done.
In this corner, we got 6'5", 3,000 pounds, the beast from the Middle East.
That's exactly what I was gonna say too.
Game's over.
Come on, yo, I wanna see.
The game
I wanna see him get all his money, dog.
Hey, yo, wait.
Come on, it's the last day of his birthday. I wanna beat him.
Yo, another game of Monopoly that I won.
Oh my god.
Good youths.
The education system was set up to control global traffic. What? Yo. Name the 3 pillars of government, dog.
Oh, the Rothschilds, dog.
One.
JP Morgan.
Dog Bilderberg. That's all.
I like that.
Yo, you're gonna have to edit this out because some of us won't make it.
Why do we call cookies cookies if we bake them? But we call bacon bacon when we cook it.
That blew my mind, yo. What did he say? Yo, that was actually wise.
You got bacon, dog.
Shut your mouth.
They call me Samwise Gamgee.
Oh, liar, someone's Gandhi, dog. Yo, let's go.
Except he's bigger than Gandhi.
Hey, I just.
He looks like he ate Gandhi.
I did. You have to eat to survive.
Alive.
And you know what? Who's alive now?
Whoa, chill.
Wasn't Gandhi shot?
Was he?
Yeah, Gandhi was shot.
No, Gandhi was...
What?
I'm wrong, I should know that.
Who would shoot Gandhi?
A waste man.
Right. Gandhi was assassinated at 5:17 p.m. on January 30th, 1948.
Nice.
So how was he assassinated? Like did someone poison? Did someone? Hold on, no. There's different.
Somebody poisoned the water. He wasn't.
That's what I'm saying. Did someone walk up to him and stab? Did someone walk up to him and stab him?
No, he got shot.
You know you don't have to get shot to be assassinated, right?
Alright, but I just told you got shot.
Wait, so who was the person who shot him then?
You don't believe me?
Show
Look it up, dog. Look it up, dog. I'm telling the truth. Godsi. I don't know. You
I don't know who the fuck that is.
Who else you know from 1948? Exactly.
Actually, I know a lot of people from 1948.
And Frank.
Yo, I'm Frank, yo. I'm Frank.
What the
Wait, hold on. Wait, Keon, you say that like I haven't lived 1948.
I like, yo, mine was courtside, dog.
That's what I'm saying.
Go to the New York Velociraptors, bro. Play against Jesus and against the Romans.
What's that mean? Game 7.
The air breath. Courtside in the Roman Coliseum.